So for someone who's never heard of Vision Intensive, it's a 2-day training where we go deep into how did I get to where I am in life. So I know what my starting point is. And the way we talk about it is, what are the assumptions that I have created about who I am, how life is, how world is, how people are, what success means, what does it mean to create results. We look at all of that through your unique lens. Not the lens for everybody that's uniform that you can just Google or chat GPT these days. It's very unique to you. We expend time. It's an extraordinary amount of time because of how deep we go. So it's the environment that we create for you to look deeply, not surface. Somebody asks you a question and you answer it and you're like, oh, I was doing it this way, now I'm going to do it this way. Most of the time, we never do. We never change. Or we may change the thing that we do, but never look underneath the hood of the car, the proverbial hood. What was it driven by? What thought, what belief, what fear was driving that choice? So you may change the mechanic of it, but the result is still the same because you never ask the deeper questions. Sometimes we have experiences that make us feel like we are clean and empty and ready for something new. Sometimes in relationships it happens. We have a breakup and then we get into another one. And then that relationship is just the opposite of everything we didn't like. That means we created on top of something and just ask for the opposite. If everything could change, or even at least the one thing that you want to change could change, wouldn't it be worth coming in for 2 days, giving yourself an opportunity to be 100% committed for 2 days, to see if something changes and then create something?